Welcome back. Today we're diving into how to manage and trigger custom document processor flows using the IDP API. To use a custom-built document processor flow, we first need to identify which flow we want to run. In this example, we'll use a pre-built flow for invoices and POs that we created earlier. Next, locate the document processor flow GUID shown here. We'll copy this GUID for use later. This is what the API will reference to call the specific document processor flow. Now, go to the API gateway and search for Infor Document Processor. If it doesn't appear right away, simply type it into the search bar. Once it shows up, select it. Then, open the documentation and find the first post job endpoint, which lets us create a job for the document processor flow. Click Try it out. Paste in the GUID we copied earlier, set the version to 1, and upload the document you want to process. Once you've selected your file, click Execute. After the job runs, you'll receive a job ID. Copy this job ID and scroll down to the Get Job Result endpoint. Paste the job ID, set the version to 1 again, and click Execute. Here you'll see the response body, which shows all the values extracted by the document processor flow. For example, you can see the document is classified as an invoice, along with extracted data like tables, the address field, amount due, customer number, and more. The same process applies for pre-built document processor flows. Just use the appropriate flow GUID in place of the custom one. That wraps up this walkthrough on managing and calling document processor flows using the IDP API. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Infor content and how-to guides. Thanks for watching.